Apple Music users report seeing other people's playlists in their libraries. Privacy. The Apple logo with the lock instead of the Apple logo on its own without a lock. Apple Music appears to be sparking serious privacy concerns for some users, with multiple complaints on Reddit about other people's playlists randomly appearing in their music libraries. I have a feeling this has something to do with networking and how different devices are discoverable when you're near them. That's always unnerving when it comes to like AirDrop and always local devices. Probably people are connecting to like coffee shops and all of a sudden other playlists are there.
Yeah, you
Public
turn it
Wi-Fi
on and then
or
you just
something.
forget that it's on, and then it just...
You're sharing all types of stuff. Redditor ADH1003 contacted Mac Rumors about the issue, compiled several reports from users complaining about the appearance of strange playlists in the app that they do not recognize. And then Mac Rumors found a bunch of other posts on Reddit from users reporting the same behavior. In some cases, unknown playlists have been merged with users' existing playlists. In other cases, users' playlists have gone missing and then been replaced by unrecognized ones. That's brutal. Based on reports, the appearance of unrecognized playlists is only occurring in the Music app for iPhone, with Music app for Mac OS remaining unaffected. So it's only on the iPhone and not elsewhere. User reports regarding the issue date back to mid-February, suggesting the problem could be related to iOS 16.3.1, which included a bug for iCloud settings. Oof. Maybe this is uglier than I thought.
Huh.
Maybe this is not what I thought it was.
That's a title.
Uglier than I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just here to help you. Will.
Okay.
I'm here to help you with your titles.
Noted.
Huh. It's reminiscent of an iCloud bug earlier last year. That's unnerving to know that that's going on. I'm ugly, unnerving. Your choice. Your choice. Maybe both. Hopefully they get it fixed and people feel comfortable.